The pocket scanner replacing office giants. Meet the Brother DS-740D. Ever felt like your paperwork is plotting against you? Stacks of receipts, contracts, and forms staring you down while deadlines creep closer? It's enough to make anyone want to toss their desk out the window. Drop a yes in the comments if you've ever felt trapped under paperwork chaos. Because honestly, it's time to stop letting clutter win the game. You know that feeling when you're traveling or on a deadline and your scanner decides it needs a power outlet, 5 drivers, and a prayer to start working? Yeah, that. Burnout doesn't come from hard work. It comes from tools that slow you down. Imagine if there was a way to scan everything, anywhere, instantly, without adding more stress or cables. Meet the Brother DS-740D Duplex Compact Mobile Document Scanner, the palm-sized productivity booster built for professionals who move fast. This isn't your average office brick. It's a sleek, ultra-portable duplex scanner that fits right into your bag or briefcase. With single-pass duplex scanning, it handles both sides of a page in one go. No flipping, no fumbling. Picture scanning a 2-sided contract at a cafe table in seconds, while your colleague's desktop scanner still boots up. A real estate agent said, "I can scan double-sided documents right after client signings. No delay, no mess." The U-Path desk-saving design means no extra space needed behind the unit. It feeds pages forward and returns them neatly. Powered via USB 3.0, it's ready anywhere you plug it in. Whether you're digitizing receipts, archiving forms, or scanning ID cards, every detail stays crisp thanks to the 600 per inch optical resolution. Here's the bonus. The included OCR software turns your scans into searchable, editable files. No retyping, no stress, just freedom. So why are tech reviewers and creators raving about it? Because it actually delivers. One tech influencer called it a game changer for remote professionals. Fast, reliable, and shockingly easy to use. Another industry analyst said, Brothers DS-740D closes the gap between mobile and full-size office scanners. Imagine scanning business cards, receipts, and double-sided documents faster than your old printer could wake up. The automatic image optimization cleans shadows, removes bleed-through, and enhances text, making even faded forms look fresh. A small business owner shared, "The OCR saved me hours of manual entry. It's practically my assistant now." And a traveling consultant laughed, "It's so light I forget it's in my bag until I need it." Every testimonial points to one truth. The DS-740D isn't just portable, it's empowering. Which feature would save your day? The duplex speed, the auto-correction, or the instant scan-to-cloud setup? Comment below and let's see which side you're on. Because when a scanner this small can outperform your office gear, maybe it's time to rethink what portable really means. Ready to trade clutter for clarity? Thousands of professionals already have, and they're not looking back. The Brother DS-740D is flying off shelves for a reason. It's small, fast, and relentlessly reliable. Limited stock means you might miss your shot, so act fast. Don't just watch. Take control of your workflow today. Click now to unlock a hidden feature in the included Brother app that lets you scan straight to your favorite cloud service. Efficiency this smooth doesn't wait around. Why should you?